Sometimes I need to build a relationship from scratch. Happens a lot. When they go to my website and look to see who I am and what I do, I used to be an insurance adjuster as well, and so that's part of my profile, but then when they see videos or testimonials of things with my practice, I think that helps legitimize what I do, that I'm just not a fly-by-night operation. People like doing business with people that they know, and if you're not doing that and you're not fostering the relationships you have around you in a meaningful way, you're going to be out. And so social media is an excellent way to keep that relationship fostered so that it doesn't dry up and so that they know who I am, and it works out well. It's just another tool I have in my toolkit to close business. Plain and simple. You need to be doing social media.